guys, I'm Sayantani and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another unboxing video, and in today's video I'm going to unbox the Zotezo Zobag Mini bag for you all. So this is a pretty new subscription bag for me. I haven't tried this bag before, so I'm pretty excited about this. So first of all, let's start with the price of the bag. So basically this bag is available in two different variants. The one that I got for myself is the Zobag Mini bag, and this one is priced at rupees 349 per month with 40 rupees of shipping. And for this month there are 6 full-size products in the bag, and the total worth of products in this month's bag is above rupees 1229. So it seemed to be a pretty good deal and I immediately thought of getting the box. Also guys, let me mention that I'm pretty impressed with their shipping, because the day they had shipped the bag, it arrived to my house on the very next day itself. So a big thumbs up to their shipping. Now let's see how the bag basically came. So the bag actually came in this box right here which says Zotezo over here, and once you open the box, this is how the inside of it looks. And the first thing that I can see is a card right here. So it says Zotezo Zobag, and on the other side of the card you are going to find the product description along with the price of the products. So let's see how the bag for this month looks. So this is how the bag looks this month, and this is a neon potli or pouch, whatever you would like to call it. Now let me mention that the quality of this bag is really good. Like, the quality of the cloth is very good, and it's a pouch which you can definitely use for storage or even for travel purposes. You can definitely use this pouch. So let's open the pouch and let's see what is the first product that we have. So the first product in this month's bag is a face wash from Mcaffeine, and this is the Mcaffeine Neem and Caffeine face wash. This is a 50 ml product and this is priced at rupees 199. So this basically has neem in it and also argan oil, vitamin E, caffeine, glycerine. So it has a lot of good things in it, and it is green in color as you can see. So let's open the cap and see how it smells. Okay, so it kind of smells like the Himalaya Neem face wash. So this is a paraben free product. It is also cruelty free, which is really great. The next product in the bag is this. This is from Fuschia, and it is the Peppermint Pedicare Nourishing Foot Cream. This is a 50-gram product which is priced at rupees 250. So this one has peppermint in it. It has olive oil, sunflower oil, bee wax, aloe vera, shea butter. So it has a lot of good things in it which is going to nourish your skin and also take care of any kind of fungal disease or anything like that. So this basically comes in a container like this, and this has a shelf life of 2 years, so you will be able to use it for a pretty long time. Now once you open it, this is how it looks. The color of this is a very pretty baby pinkish lavender kind of a color. Like, the color is really nice and it smells awesome. Like, it smells really good. The next product in the box is from Nirvaana, and it is a goat milk and honey handmade soap. This is a 100-gram soap, and this is priced at rupees 200. So it has goat milk in it and honey, which definitely is for moisturization. So it's definitely going to moisturize your skin. It says that this is going to balance your skin and make it smoother and softer, and it also has rejuvenating effects on the skin. So let me take out this soap and show it to you guys. So this is how the soap basically looks, and surprisingly it smells a little citrusy. Like, it smells, it kind of has an orange flavor in it. Moving on to the next product. The next product is from Purple Essentionaturals. It is a green apple shower gel, and this is again a 50 ml product which is priced at rupees 300. So this is a refreshing formula, and it is blended with pure green apple extracts to purify and nourish the skin with natural minerals and proteins, and I'm definitely looking forward to try this one. Also guys, let me mention that, you know, when it comes to small bottles like this, it becomes very travel friendly. So these kind of packagings are really great for traveling. The next product in the bag is a nail paint, and this is from Tint. So this is a transparent nail polish protector. This has 7 ml of product in it, and this is priced at rupees 130. So I think this is really great because you can apply this over your over any of your favorite nail paints to secure that nail paint in its place for a little longer. Also guys, if you are going in with a nail design or something, you can go over with this, which is going to keep everything intact in its place for a little longer, and it is going to make your nail paint a little more durable. Coming to the last product of this month's box. So the last product is a makeup product, and it is from Blue Heaven. So it is the Blue Heaven Artisto Velvet Matte Lip Crayon. This is priced at ₹150 and there is 3.5 grams of product in it. So the color that I have received is 01 Cherry Red. For this you will be getting color options. You can choose whatever color you would like to get for yourself. So let's swatch it and see how the color is. So this is a really pretty maroonish red kind of a color. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to apply this and let's see how it applies on the lips. So guys, the lipstick is on and this is how it looks on me. It's a really pretty shade. So once you apply this, this is not something which is extremely creamy and which is going to get rubbed off easily, which is going to move everywhere. No, because the finish of this is more on the matte side, but it is not very matte. So it is a demi matte lipstick and it is going to stay in its place, but at the same time it is not going to dry out your lips, which I think is really great. So with that, our unboxing is over. Now coming to my overall thoughts. So first of all guys, I'm pretty impressed with the products in the box, because for ₹380 you're getting 6 full-size products which are good products. So you're getting 6 full-sized good products for just ₹380, which I think is a really good deal. Also guys, you are getting a bag free which you can use for different purposes. So with that, we come to the end of this video. If you guys have any questions regarding this bag, then do leave your questions down in the comment section. Also guys, I have mentioned each and every detail about ZoBag down in my description box, so make sure you guys go and check out my description box for more details. If you guys have liked this video, then don't forget to give it a like. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.